So, what happens when Tony Stark designs your phone? This is the POCO X8 Pro Iron Man Edition. And yeah, this is one of those devices you just want to unbox at least once in your life. The experience actually starts with the box. It looks like Tony Stark's suitcase, the one that turns into the suit. And honestly, POCO really went all in here. Inside, you get themed accessories, a custom case, even a SIM tool in Iron Man style. It's not just packaging, it's an experience. The phone itself? Surprisingly elegant. You get a matte black aluminum frame, subtle gold accents, and a glossy Iron Man design with the Stark Industries logo on the back. And thankfully, it doesn't feel over the top. In hand, it's actually very comfortable. The 6.59-inch display feels compact today, and the phone is well balanced with no crazy camera bump. Performance is powered by the Dimensity 8500 Ultra, so everything feels fast and smooth in daily use. And then there's the battery, 6,500 mAh with 100-watt charging, which is honestly one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The display is bright, smooth, and paired with a custom Iron Man UI that actually looks really good. Now, let's be honest, the camera probably won't be the main reason to buy this phone. But that's not the point. This is POCO doing what it does best: high performance, big battery, and a bold design at a solid price. And the Iron Man Edition? That's just a bonus for fans. Even if some of us won't be able to buy it,